Good morning, everyone. Well, we're getting ready to head over to Moab for Easter Jeep Safari, and still utilizing all of our new our bolt locks, trying to eliminate some of the hassles of looking through our set of keys, as well as keeping our stuff secure. This hitch pin lock has been on here for probably 2 years. It's pretty rusted. We're going to swap it out for a bolt lock once I can find the key to this one, and see how simple this really is. Well, that was not too terribly hard. Get rid of that. So these bolt locks will actually, all of the locking cylinders key off of your ignition key to the vehicle that you're utilizing the parts on. So a new pin. And our locking cylinder. Now on this truck, of course, it doesn't appear that there's a key that I can use to create the match to this cylinder lock. But there's a little button up here. It's actually a key inside that little holster. And Bolt does a pretty good job of the instructions. It's pretty straightforward. There's a little warning sticker. Got to remove that, and a little rubber gasket over the top of the cylinder itself. So what the instructions tell you to do is basically stick the key in there, turn it in fully, rotate it clockwise all the way, and you're done. So we're going to see how simple that is. All the way fully and back. Well, it appears to work. Let's see what we got. Put the key in there. We're done. We're secure with the key from the ignition. No more fighting through this to pull that